Hi everyone, I am here with the Amazon Basic 21-inch hard side spinner. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I am loving this explosive orange color. Let's get all this plastic off. It glides along super easy. I do love the zippers here. It looks like it has an expandable feature as well. Let's extend the handle, see how far out it goes. Pretty great reach here. The handle has a good give on the top. Let's check out the side. Good give here as well. Good hard body so that when they throw your suitcase, your things will not get damaged. Ooh, very good expandable height here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let's take a look at the double wheels that allow for easy 360 rotation. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have this strap here. We have a zipper, so you can put any of your unmentionables in there if you like, or your toiletries. On this side, we have more pockets for anything you might want to put. They are clear, so if you don't want anybody to see this, you might not want to use this one, but this is super cool for toothbrushes, socks, anything that's small, you want to keep it organized. Let's open up the bigger zipper section. And you have a whole nother section on this side of the suitcase that can be kept hidden if someone needs to open your suitcase for whatever reason, TSA check, or your friend needs to grab something really quick and you don't want them to see what's on this side. Let's pack the bag. I'm gonna start off by putting a couple shirts on this side. So we have two here, two pairs of leggings, workout top and bottom, leggings and a shirt. For my two socks, just to show you guys how it fits, I'll put in this first privacy zipper. Tuck that in. Still has plenty of room. This is a rather large and thick scarf that also comes with a hoodie. I'm gonna put it on the privacy side. For my hair bonnet, I'm gonna utilize our clear zipper compartment. This is two more pairs of pants. Let's put this on the privacy side as well. For my unmentionables, y'all already know, privacy side. One pair of shoes. We have more unmentionables, shirt, another pair of tights, and another shirt. I really love these straps as it keeps your clothes from moving around in transit. Did I mention to you guys it does have these standing legs? So when you get to wherever you need to go or just need to use the top of your suitcase, that is super convenient. Now we're all packed up. Rolls around really, really smooth thanks to these double-wheeled legs here that have a 360 motion. It's super lightweight. Roll on the side. Moves around there very easily as well. This comes in a variety of different colors and two more sizes.